Treat yourself to a LightStim ProPanel treatment for your face. The LightStim ProPanel delivers all the benefits of advanced LED technology in a soothing and relaxing treatment for the best possible results and experience. Engineered with LightStim multi-wave patented technology, the hands-free devices are easy to use and operate. Using a cleansing wipe, remove any makeup or product from your skin. You can use LightStim on clean, dry skin, or to enhance the treatment, use LightStim PhotoSerum or LightStim SheetMasque. LightStim PhotoSerum provides an instant boost of hydration for smoother, younger-looking skin. LightStim SheetMasque is drenched in hydrators, peptides, and antioxidants, giving you a radiant complexion. To get started with your light treatment, press the On button to set the desired time and press On again. Recommended treatment time is 10 to 20 minutes. Have your goggles ready to wear. Position the goggles around your eyes. Gently move the ProPanel towards your face. Next, contour the ProPanel around your face, 1 to 2 inches from your skin. Now, relax and enjoy. At the conclusion of your treatment, the ProPanel will beep and turn off. We recommend you do ProPanel treatments regularly for the best and longest lasting results. Enjoy your radiant glow, knowing that your skin has been nourished and energized from within.